UAV on station. Ready to fly over.
Oh, both. God damn.
UAV ready. Falcon 3-0. Good copy. UAV beginning flyover.
What's up, guys? Coming back at you live once again with my favorite SMG class. So check it out. Here we go. It's the MP5. It's my favorite. Love it. Best gun in the game. Right. So for attachments, I have the monolithic integrated suppressor, the technical full rip, the FFS close quarter stock, the 45 round mag, and of course I can't use this gun if I don't have the gold skin on it, baby. You know it. The whole class layout is I have an RPG as my secondary. Perks wise, I have Cold Blooded, Ghost, and last but not least, Battle Hardened. For my Lether, I have a Thermite, and for my Technical, I have the Stim. And there it goes, guys. That's my typical favorite SMG class. So check it out. Let me know if you enjoy it or not. If you use it in the game, please let me know down below how it worked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Good.